Morning students, today we will start our new topic, that is the standard units of measurement. Better, this is the standard units of measurement. In our last video we will discuss about the measurement. Measurement consists of physical quantities. Measurement consists of physical quantity. This physical quantity consists of two parts. First part is number and another part is units. We have two types of units. First one, non-standardized unit, and other one, standardized unit. Better, these standardized and non-standardized unit discuss with you. These non-standardized units are hands palm, either cubit or yard, like this. Better, hands palm, distance from end of the finger to end of the thumb, this one. Then yard is the distance between chin and stretch hand. Clear? Next one is the fathom. Fathom is the distance between two stretched hand. One end of the one hand and last end of the other end. The distance between these two is known as fathom. Cubit. Beta, cubit is the distance between elbow and end of the hand. Elbow and this one is the cubit. And another non-standardized unit is foot. Clear? When you are playing, you measure the distance of room from one wall to another by using foot or by using your hands palm, just like this, or by using your another methods. When you are playing, you will do that type non-standardized unit. And these standardized units, that are the fixed unit. These are accepted by the scientists all over the world. These units are known as SI units. Better, these are known as SI units. These SI units means System of International Units. SI unit is System of International Units. Or you can say International System of Unit, both are the same thing. Beta, how these standard units of measurements are to be used? By using non-standardized unit, by using the body parts. Each and every person in the world have different size of their body parts. There is small difference. One person have slightly smaller than other one. Then measurement units are not be fixed. They are vary from one person to another, from one time to another, from temperature, etc. Then some physical quantities are derived. By using the physical quantity, some units are fixed, but each and every country have different kinds of units. One have unit of mass, pound, other have gram, other have kilogram, just like this. For length, better, meter, centimeter, decimeter, like this. These units that are accepted by each and every country differentially is not be accepted all over the world. All the discoveries are not useful all over the world. To overcome this problem, scientists developed, better, French scientists in 1790 developed some units. That units are standard unit known as metric system. These standard units are known as metric system. Then scientists accept a set of standard units all over the world is known as international systems of units. That is the SI system. That is the SI system. Better, from your book, standard unit of measurement in an ancient time, length of a foot, width of the finger, distance of a step were commonly used as the different units of measurement. But in Indus valleys, cultivation must be used very good measurement of length, because we see evidence in excavation of perfectly geometrical construction. इंडस वैली जो भी है आपका, वहाँ मेजरमेंट, लेंथ के मेजरमेंट्स के यूनिट बहुत अच्छे थे, वहाँ कल्टीवेशन बहुत अच्छा था. बट बेटा मेजरमेंट लेंथ का फिर से वही डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैनर में था, फिक्स नहीं था. वन पर्सन अपने अकॉर्डिंग उस लेंथ मेजर करता था, दूसरा अपने अकॉर्डिंग लेंथ मेजर करता था. रिजल्टेंट नो यूज. क्लियर बेटा? क्यूबिट, fathom etc. will be used. Egypt, that was accepted a unit of length in other part of the world, that is foot. 1 cubit, 1 handspan etc. Better to in India, small length measurements were be used as angle, finger or muthi. Small length finger 1 2 3 or muthi 1 2 3 4 like this. But each and every person have different body parts. Every one body part could be slightly different in size. This must have caused confusion in the measurement. But in 1790, French create standard units of measurements, that is known as metric system. That is known as metric system. Beta, this metric system will be overall used for the sake of uniformity all over the world. For the sake of uniformity all over the world, scientists accept a set of standard units of measurement all over the world is known as International System of Units or SI units. Beta, or SI units. Beta, for the length SI unit is meter. For the length SI unit is meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter means how many millimeter? Beta, 1 centimeter consists of 1 millimeter, sorry 10 millimeter or 10 nanometer. Clear? Now distance, what is length के units हो गए meter, it is okay, but what is the unit of distance? Distance is in kilometer. Beta, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So all over the world, unit of length is meter. Either Egypt, India, America, Pakistan, London, etc. Each and every country. Clear? Now beta, in this way standard unit of measurements are be used all over the world for the sake of uniformity. Why standard units are used? In our last video we will give advantages, and here it is clear cut for the sake of uniformity. For the sake of uniformity. Now another topic, correct measurement of length. What is the correct measurement of length? Beta, you see various devices for the calculation of length, measure the length. For example, tailor use inch tape, cloth merchant use metric rod, long iron rod, that is consist of metric rod. And when you want to measure the length 1 centimeter to length centimeter, you will use a scale. Clear? In this way you see many devices to measure the length. If I want to measure the width of a trunk, you can use with the help of metric rod. Answer no, because rod can't be folded. Clear? Inch tape is used for that. If I want to measure the width of chest of any person. Metric rod is not used. For this inch tape is used. It is okay. Clear? Then in maximum devices, inch tape is the standard device because to measure the straight or curve or circle, inch tape is used. In this way, correct measurement of the length be used. But if I want to calculate the length of curved line, now we will start that measurement of length of a curved line. Better suppose we have this line. How length of this line will be measured? Inch tape can't be used. Metric rod can't be used. Simple scale can't be used. Then what happen? Better you will took a thread. Put the thread at one end along with this line like this and mark that thread up to other end. Thread is A, B. Length of thread is AB. Then stretch the thread. And measure the length with the help of tape, either inch tape or by using the scale. And we will measure the curved line, length of the curved line. Better length of curved line is not measured by using the metric scale, either inch tape or metric rod or scale, etc. To measure the length of curved line, we will use a thread. Better we will use a thread along with the curved line and mark on the thread initial point to end of the line, that is A and B. Mark on the thread AB. Then thread is stretched. And along with the metric scale to measure the length of a curve. Better to measure the length of the curve. That is the correct method to measure the length of the curve. Clear? Now better simple scale that you have in your geometry box or a large size scale you will use during the exam time to mark line on the exam sheet. That is the standard scale to measure the length. That is the standard scale to measure the length. Thank you.